What's going on, guys? Bouret here with Adorama TV, and today I'm shooting with the new Flashpoint 400 Pro version 2 TTL. Let's go shoot. The biggest upgrade in the Pro 2 is the new color display and redesigned interface compared to the old black and white screen. This makes it so much faster and easier to change settings, and when you're on set, speed and clarity are everything. All right, guys, so we're here shooting with the Canon R5, my 50mm 1.2. I love this lens. So off-camera flash, people kind of complicate things, right? So the first thing you have to do is get the background exposure. So let's start with that. All right, I love how this looks. I'm at 1/4000th of a second. 1.2 ISO 100. Now let's put on the flash. So I'm at 1/8 of power on the flash. I love this frame. Let's shoot. This strobe is compatible with all major camera brands: Canon, Nikon, Sony, Fuji, Olympus, and Panasonic, as long as you're using the right R2 transmitter. That means no matter what system you shoot with, or if you switch brands later, your strobe still works. On a full charge, you'll get about 390 full power flashes, and the recycle time is super fast, anywhere from 1/100th of a second to 1 second. That means the flash keeps up with you. It supports both TTL automatic exposure and high-speed sync up to 1/8000th of a second. TTL is perfect when you need to move quickly without dialing in manual settings, and high-speed sync lets you shoot wide open in bright daylight or freeze motion with ultra-fast shutter speeds. Stable color mode keeps your color consistent. That's especially useful for skin tones, product shots, and when you're working with multiple lights. Turn it off and it goes back to standard consistency. All right, so we move the location. We walk like 2 blocks down right under the Manhattan Bridge. I'm gonna shoot with the 15mm to get like those distorted shots from under. Let's see how they look. The strobe comes with a Bowens mount adapter. You attach it using the included ring, screws, and Allen key. Once it's on, you can use pretty much any Bowens mount compatible modifier. Soft boxes, beauty dishes, and grids, you name it. This gives you a ton of flexibility in shaping your light. All right, guys, that was the Flashpoint XPLOR 400 Pro Mark II TTL. Let me know if you plan on purchasing this strobe. Let me know your thoughts about those shots. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you next time.